Your personality is a physical structure, not a soul. If you don't like who you are, stop trying to think differently and start building differently. You think you're in control of your life. You think your choices, your tastes, and your reactions are you. But here's the unsettling truth. 95% of your day is a chemical rerun. By the time you're 35, who you are is just a set of memorized behaviors, emotional reactions, and subconscious beliefs that function like a computer program. You aren't living, you're just executing code. But what if I told you that you could hack the hardware? What if you could literally physically dismantle the person you've become to make room for the person you want to be? To understand how, we have to look at the construction site inside your skull. In neuroscience, there's a foundational rule called Hebb's law. Neurons that fire together, wire together. Every time you have a thought, a chemical signal crosses a gap called a synapse. Do it once, and it's a faint trail. Do it 1,000 times, and it's a 6-lane highway. This is why your anxiety feels automatic. It's because it is automatic. Your brain has physically optimized itself to be anxious because that's the path you've walked most. Your brain consumes 20% of your body's energy. To save power, it automates everything it can. It would rather keep you in a familiar state of misery than spend the energy required to build a happy highway. It's not a character flaw, it's a survival-based energy-saving mode. Here is where most people fail. They tried to change their life using willpower. But willpower is a 5% tool fighting a 95% machine. If your subconscious belief is I am not a person who succeeds, your biology will actually trigger a stress response when you start to win. You will literally feel wrong or unsafe being successful. This is cognitive dissonance. Your brain would rather be right about you being a failure than be happy about you succeeding. To change, you have to stop fighting the thoughts and start interrupting the chemistry. Here is your 3-step manual override.